Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Today is 1st of July 2023. Happy new month to everyone. I'd like to wish all our Canadian subscribers happy Canada Day. Today is Canada Day in Canada, so I just came back from a party and I'm so excited to meet a lot of Canadians, and some of them just subscribed to this channel right now. So I'd like to wish you all happy Canada Day, for Canadian residents. So today we're going to be trading the bull market index, touch no touch, and you can see there's a trade that was just finalized right there. As you can see, the results was profit. So we're going to place another trade here before I proceed with this explanation. Actually, we are working with this, so I'm going to place another trade and we'll come back to see the outcome of the trade. Okay, it's something I'm checking right there before I click on does not touch. Okay, I've seen it right there. So we have 2 minutes, then we're going to wait for the outcome of this, and before the 2 minutes elapse, so for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat right here, this is a boat. You can see some results today, 1st of July 2023. This version 7.0 is out already, and those who have already purchased the boat have received this update. So if you've not purchased this boat, all you have to do is to visit touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. It's just $9.99 USD, and you can make payment using several payment options on the order page. Same thing goes for the PIPSREAPER boat. The PIPSREAPER boat trades on digits, and you can see some results today, 1st of July 2023. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binary PIPSREAPER.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. The PIPSREAPER boat is just $7.99 USD, and all our boats now comes with the free synthetic ebook guard. Let's go back to the trade right there. So we have 56 seconds left here. So all our boats come with the free ebook guard, and you also get the free binary options boats when you purchase any of our boats. You also get the Forex trading guard as well, and you get the TOUCHSCALPER automated Forex trading boat. All this comes for free, so don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. We are going to get back to this later. So we have 32 seconds. So the links are right here. We are going to paste everything in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. This is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. Check the video description on YouTube. For those who don't have a trading account, there is a link to sign up for a free trading account. And so here, let me go back to, okay, the trade is still ongoing. Okay, we have 7 seconds right there. We have 7 seconds. Okay, so you can see we won that trade again. We made another 2.63 right there. So I'm going to come back to this strategy after this timeout. So here is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and here are the links to subscribe to our channels. As the first channel, make sure you subscribe to all our channels to get the latest strategies we're going to be releasing from time to time. So that's the second channel, and this is the third channel. We're going to release some strategies across all the channels today, so make sure you subscribe to all our channels. So the links to also download the guides are also here in this description. We're going to put it in the video description as the free ebooks and the free boats as well. For the Forex trading boat, you need to first sign up on this platform for you to be able to run the Forex trading boats. You can use any of this link to sign up on the platform. Then these are the links to download the ebook. This one is for the Forex, and this one is for the synthetic indices. In the ebook guide, you will see the links to download the free boats as well. Then to read written tutorials, you can join our forum, www.nigercruise.com, to read written tutorials. Check the binary option sections on the forum page. So we are going to go back to the trading right now. So I'm going to scale up here. I'm going to change this to 46. Then once you go log into your account, you go to the synthetic indices, then you go to the bull market index. Once you do that, you go to the trade type, go to touch no touch. The duration, set it to 2 minutes. The barrier offset, set it to minus 5.4595. we are going to be clicking on the no touch. Then you're going to be watching these numbers right here. It has to be between 8,000 to 9,005. from 8,000, that's 9,011, so I click on does not touch there. If you see between 8,000 to 9,005, you click on that does not touch, then you click on view. So let's wait for the outcome of this trade, then we proceed to another strategy, because you can see we've already won 2 trades. So this one will be our third trade here, so let's just wait for the outcome of the trade right there. So these are time counts right here. These are time counts. So our barrier is not visible yet. So let's just make sure the barrier is minus. Remember, minus 5.4595. So our barrier line was actually visible there, but it goes back up again, so it's rebounding. Minus 5.4595. And before you enter the trade, make sure you click on the does not touch when you see the value between 8,000 to 9,500. So we have 44 seconds left right here. So that's it, guys. You can see we made another 5.33 right there. So that's it. Once you watch the numbers carefully before you place the trade, it's win-win situation. You can see we won 3 trades right there. So we're going to proceed again to our next strategy. So make sure you subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we're going to be releasing today, 1st of July 2023. Thanks for watching. Bye.